Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of fruit gardening. Whether you have a small balcony, a backyard, or just a few pots on your porch, there are countless ways to grow your own delicious fruits at home. Let's explore some fantastic fruit gardening ideas that you can easily implement. First up, we have container gardening. If you don't have much space, container gardening is a great way to grow fruit. You can use pots or even repurpose old containers. Fruits to consider: strawberries. They thrive in containers and are perfect for smaller spaces. Choose a large pot with good drainage and use quality potting soil. Dwarf citrus trees. These trees can grow well in pots and produce fruit all year round. Think lemons or limes. Cherry tomatoes. While technically a fruit, they are a fantastic addition to your garden and easy to grow in containers. Next, let's talk about vertical gardening. This is perfect for small spaces and can be both functional and decorative. Fruits to grow vertically: raspberries and blackberries. These berries love to climb. Use trellises or cages to support them as they grow. Grapes, with the right structure you can have a stunning grapevine. Just make sure they get plenty of sunlight and support. If you have a bit more space, consider building raised garden beds. They're perfect for growing a variety of fruits while keeping your plants off the ground. Fruits to plant in raised beds: blueberries. They prefer acidic soil, so mix in peat moss when planting. They also need a companion plant for pollination. Melons. Watermelons or cantaloupes thrive in raised beds where they can spread out and get the warmth they love. Combining herbs with your fruit plants is another fantastic idea. Not only do herbs add flavor to your meals, but they also attract beneficial insects and can help repel pests. Good combinations include basil and strawberries, which can thrive together, and the basil can help keep pests away from the strawberries. Mint and melons are another great pair. Planting mint nearby can deter pests, while providing you with fresh mint for drinks and dishes. Don't forget about indoor gardening. If you live in an apartment or want to grow fruits year-round, here are some options. Herbs like chives or parsley grow well on windowsills. Figs and dwarf banana plants can be grown indoors with sufficient light and the right care. Timing is everything in fruit gardening. Make sure to plan your planting according to your local climate. Research which fruits grow best in your area and when to plant them for the best yield. Here's a pro tip: start your seeds indoors if you live in a cooler climate and transplant them once the weather warms up. There you have it. These are just a few fruit gardening ideas to get you started at home. Remember, the key is to have fun and experiment with what works best for your space. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips, and let me know in the comments what fruits you're excited to grow. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.